If you're using LinkedIn like me, the absolute gold mine for clients, then the last thing you want to do is get banned. So that's why I'm making this video, so that you never get banned on LinkedIn by using Prosp.ai. Now, even though Prosp themselves got banned by LinkedIn, I'm going to show you why you can use their tool safely, just as long as you avoid a couple of crucial things. Now, stick with me until the end. This is a good one. So how do you automate LinkedIn outreach without getting banned using the best LinkedIn automation tool, Prosp.ai? The common mistakes that you need to avoid when using LinkedIn outreach in general is sending too many connection requests daily. Some people get greedy. They want to send as much connection requests as possible to be able to send messages. Please don't. Keep it at 15 to 20 connections per day per account. Do not overdo it. LinkedIn outreach does not need the same amount of volume as cold email. You'll be fine if you do less. Generic impersonal messages that just scream, "This is AI," and ignoring LinkedIn's usage policies. You should never use the Chrome extensions of these LinkedIn tools or go against LinkedIn Sales Navigator, because LinkedIn actively detects automated extensions and can quickly flag your account. And you can get temporary restrictions or a permanent ban, which Apollo and Prosp and all these company pages actually did, and the founders. You just can't go against LinkedIn Sales Navigator. They own everything. So, and if you're going to log into these tools, just use your password, use your login, and do not use any extension. For the daily actions, as I said, send no more than 15 to 20 connections per day, and then you can schedule activities at varied intervals to mimic human behavior. Each and single one of these tools has this already implemented. And adjust delays and timing within Prosp AI to replicate natural user actions. So, for example, before you like a post and then move on to the message, wait for 1 day, for example, or wait for a couple hours, wait for 2 days. Just wait for a time frame before you send something, before you take the next step. And another great way to do it is to regularly remove pending invitations older than 2 weeks. So you go here in your invitations on LinkedIn, and I withdraw every single one of these that got sent 3 weeks ago. Yeah, every single one of these I will go and remove right now. Then also, enabling two-factor authentication protects your LinkedIn account from unauthorized access. You do this in your settings very easily. Let me just show you where it is. I think it's here. Here it is. Two-step verification. Just put it on and then use an authenticator app to sign in, because LinkedIn perceives accounts with 2FA as safer, decreasing the likelihood of all restrictions. But it doesn't replace, responsible outreach practices. So don't think that just because you have 2FA on, that you can do whatever you want. Some warning signs to watch is increased CAPTCHA prompts that they make you do, or that you get physical warnings sent to you. But this can be very easily, avoided if you just follow these things. And if you go to Prosper, and then go to campaigns, and then to settings here, just keep these as is, don't change anything. Sure, you can up maybe to 20, but keep it as it is, because these guys know the best about the limitations that you can do. And as I said, keep your messaging human, keep it personalized, keep it short. For example, what I do, hey, first name. I even shorten the first name. And I'll show you how to do that. So for example, if you go to the builder here, if you wait for 1 day, for example, you wait, then I send a LinkedIn message, hey, first name cleaner. So Prosp has these prompts that basically clean the first name, removing any titles, emojis, special characters, or extra formatting. Remove any caps as well. Output only the first name with no quotes. This makes it look like a human message, definitely not AI. If I could cut your client acquisition costs in half in the next 14 days at Insight Success Media, I use company name cleaner as well to remove like LTD or .ca or like .com. Just write the company name just as it is. Would it be worth to take a quick look at a video I recorded for you? And then I follow up with a voice message, which I also record in Prosp, and I make it say two different things based on if they open the message or if they don't, which is pretty cool. You can do this in Prosp. And then I send them a voice note. I don't think if I play it that the audio will be here, so I won't play it. But yeah, and then when they respond, okay, just send me the video. Then I send them the video of their landing page, and then they open, then they play. Yeah, and then they can book here. They can check my LinkedIn. They can check my YouTube. Just a very simple landing page. Doesn't have to be something extravagant. And for example, here with this guy, I saw that he watched the whole video. Now you may wonder, how did I see that? Well, if we go to our beautiful SaaS Vina here, so here in Vina, we can click on filters and we can see that he watched 95% of the video. And the way I track this as well is if we go to make here, I have this very simple tracker which tracks whoever watches the video, puts the watch percentage in a sheet, and then sends me an email where the LinkedIn profile just played our video. So for example, so today I got this notification, Tanner played our video, LinkedIn played our video, like this was the guy that I reached out to. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You can do this for email, you can do this for LinkedIn. It's super simple to set up. Yeah, I think that's everything covered. Let me know if you found this useful. Hopefully you learned something new about LinkedIn outreach and how simple it actually is. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.